Another day, whole other stuff happening in the market. Yesterday was, crazy day in the market. Gold is actually at 5,500 right now, pushing up. I'm gonna do some breakdown on that right now. But before I do that, I gotta prepare myself for greatness. Apple cider vinegar, lemon juice. This gets your stomach acids just running, bro. Remember, you notice every single day, you see me, same exact thing every day. This is called a habit. I need to fix a specific habit though, doom scrolling. I used to trouble like people like, yo, shit, social media catcher. But then I realized that I'm doom scrolling also. I'm just gonna stop. Went in, the US went in, captured Venezuela president, captured the oil. That caused the market to move sporadic. The next thing as well too, Trump says, okay, I'm gonna tariff Greenland. Made the market move as well. Trump says, hey, I'm gonna tariff Canada. Market moved. Trump says, hey, I'm sending an armada of ships, of my people, of soldiers to Iran to basically, if you guys don't want to make a deal, we're gonna hit you aggressively. This is what they basically say. You can see the articles, they're all over social media. And Iran is saying, yo, we don't care. If you guys come, believe me, it's gonna be, the destruction that's gonna come for you also is gonna be unforgettable. And both of them are just threatening each other, and the market is not looking for peace right now. Well, the market or these guys are not, let me not say the market, but, well, yeah, the market. People are very fearful right now. When you're scared, you go to safety. What is safety? Safe havens like yen, JPY. So GBP, JPY, GBP is the pound and yen is the Japan. So what yen does is basically it's a safe area, low interest, all that, where investors, banks, governments can borrow money from or part their money at, so that they can actually buy other assets. So this is why you see GBP, JPY fall, because yen has so much strength, it caused the market to fall. It's falling aggressively, you realize. And then after it falls aggressively. We had some type of pushback, yesterday because we had some type of positive news occurring, but it's still not going past these levels that we've set right here. So it's not going past these levels here that we actually set, which is, let me drop that down, this level. So the market's still within these areas here, and you see it break below this low, and we're looking to potentially break further down. So I personally feel like we're gonna come back down to these levels here, and then we're gonna go down to this as final target. This is what I feel like. So this is what I potentially feel like is gonna happen with this pair. There's so much fear in the market right now, and people are saying, yo, shit, this is definitely the most volatile market. That's what everybody's saying right now. The most volatile market, for the fact that it's just moving so aggressively. And you're not really seeing full moves. Because even, for example, you're not really seeing too much full moves. So it's like you see a lot of small moves, like you're seeing some full moves. You're seeing like full moves like here, but the market is just quick to turn. So you just have to be quick to adapt. Don't be the type of person to marry a trade or think that, yo, shit, this is gonna be the same forever. So we're seeing a lot of movements so on the downside, right, low high, low high, low high. This made a high, but it came back and broke below. So lower high, and it started making lows to push down. But overall, this is a top projection area here. So maybe I do something like this, because this could be it. Or just doing this to then just roll over. Maybe. You never know. It's either that or it just pops back up and goes up. I wouldn't buy unless it is above this area here. The reasons. Now, guys, remember to join the free Discord community. Where I post my trades daily, post fitness results daily, completely free. Join. So somebody said 240 points, gold buys, bank. So what I've been telling you guys, gold is just buys, because the market is just so scared. And when what scared money does, just as I was mentioning to you, when everybody goes to get money from Japan, they take that money and they go and buy gold. So this is why gold popped up from these levels here and started to just aggressively push up. And then we're past 5,500 right now, especially with the fact that Trump is saying that, yo, shit, we're gonna go for Iran. We're gonna do you far worse than Venezuela. That's what they're basically saying. So this is definitely a reason why the market is pushing up aggressively, because there's so much fear, tariff fear in the market. Global risk is on. Let me see US 100 now. US 100 is basically, the top tech stocks in the US. And remember, the world is moving towards AI and chips. You're gonna see movements up of this. So even if US 30 is down, which is the industrial, which it is down right now, you're gonna see upward move in US 100 sometimes, or sometimes it may be the same, but for now it's upward move while these are moving a little bit down. US 30 looks like it wants to go back up. It was consolidating a little. Look like it wants to go up. But if it should go up, I wouldn't take it for nothing more than a scalp to right here if it should go up. But overall, let's see. We don't know. We don't know. Look like we're making highs, but not guaranteed highs. We're making highs, but not guaranteed highs. So this is the top here. Made a high there. If I take off this, you'd see. We made a high there, and we have some lows in this area here, but not guaranteed highs, okay? Not guaranteed highs. So we're looking to potentially maintain here to push up, definitely. But as it is right now, remember, the dollar is very, very weak. If you check the DXY, it's very, very weak. Made lows, and this could just be the market just pushing back to this area here to then roll over, which once that happens, further down. But let's see, we have a lot of top projection here. Maybe we break, maybe we go back up here, so. But at the moment, I'm just chilling. This is too choppy for me. No, not really looking for nothing on this. If you realize it's just short moves. Oh yeah, so when I was mentioning short moves, I was talking about like probably these areas here, no full move. For this now, as I tell you, can either maintain here, push up, but I'm not buying at this area. If I'm to buy, most likely the opportunities sell, which it is looking cleaner for the sells than the buys right now, to be honest. So although you have this little area here, you know, the sells are looking ripe. The sells are really, really looking ripe for the fact that, as I tell you, we try to push above the top. We look like we didn't even break this top candle and then can roll over. So I'm just looking for rejections within the area, whether it be top rejections to see what's happening. So let me see what type of top rejection may come. If it comes, if it doesn't come, alright, cool. Trade another day, capital preservation. You're not rushing any opportunity. It's not every day is a trading day. Not every day should be trading. I ever see somebody said to me, said in the group, yo, or said on social media, yo, they're done for the month. Oh, somebody was also asking if I break down the news and stuff like that. I said, personally, I feel there's going to be a lot more downward move for GJ and US 30. I'm waiting for the news of Iran to hit the market. If deal and attack more down, if deal and attack more down, where did I post that news? If deal and attack more down, if no attack or deal then up. If US 30 and GHG up, then gold out. Just remember these are the rules that I post in the group daily. You guys can follow. This guy took this account from about $400 to $900 now, running nicely, and other people making money on this. All right, guys. So much people are making money inside the group. So much people are posting results inside the group. Let's see how it goes. Okay, yeah. So if maintains top projection at this zone, then down. Yeah. If top projection at this zone, then down. If not, then. But personally, I feel is more downside pressure due to thoughts. Yeah, just posting for thoughts. So it's just a monitoring game at the moment, just a monitoring game. So I'm gonna just get a nice little workout in. There's no news or unemployment claim. So this is gonna determine if the market pushes up, down for the dollar today. So forecast is basically 206, meaning more people are claiming unemployment. Previous was 200 and previous was 200. Where are the markers? Previous was 200. So this is the situation. If more people claim unemployment, that means the economy is getting worse, because like, why are people not being employed? Is it that companies don't have money? So that's how I think they look at it. So if this forecast, which is 206, is you get a lower number here, which is the actual, or a higher number. If you get a lower number, that means, okay, the economy is doing better. But if you get a higher number, the economy is doing worse. The economy is doing worse if you get a higher number than two. So let's see. Maybe we get a higher number, maybe we don't. But let's see. Personally, probably get a same, probably. I think we'll probably get a same. I think we'll definitely probably get a same. If not same, then I'm looking for potentially lower. If not same, I'm looking for potentially higher. So let's see, but I'm not one to say, hey, this is guaranteed. I'm not one to say that. But because if you look back at it, consumer confidence was lower, manufacturing is lower. So I would assume that unemployment would be, because if you cut production in manufacturing and if consumers are not confident, that means, most of them are not employed and most of them And then, for example, manufacturing. If manufacturing is cut, that means some type of employment situation is going on where less manpower. So definitely one to look out for. So I'm gonna go get some. I'm at 177.7 now. Was at 179. So this is because I'm actually eating in a carb deficit. So no carbs, it's just protein. Just high protein. This is what I'm doing. And I told you guys. So let's go get this workout in. Yeah. Bro, you necessary 150 the book. One more Alex. All right, so a lot of traders been DMing me, yo, Pajama, you think US 30 is gonna go to 50K? 50K what, bro? US 30 is a US based instrument, and the US stocks are extremely weak right now, especially like industrial stock. Boeing, just manufacturing, all of that. Weak right now. You can even see it by the manufacturing report that came out recently. And also unemployment claims went up for the fact that the economy is not so strong. Now, when the economy is not so strong, in terms of, people pulling money out of it to go into safe haven, gold is going up. People pulling money from US stocks, putting it into gold, which is safe haven. So money is being pulled from the US economy to buy gold, to buy cheaper currencies like yen to make money curse. So if the dollar is getting weaker, US 30 is definitely going to go down. Before it sees 50,000, it needs to have some type of pullback, and it needs to be sitting at a very strong area where it can actually push upwards. So after all of this turmoil, okay, cool, then we can expect a push up. But right now, with Iran on the books, with Venezuela just got captured, with Colombia on the books potentially, Cuba on the books potentially, Trump going for everybody, nobody is off the table. So there's going to be a lot of movement in the markets. I'm not expecting up, I'm expecting down. GJ, gold up, continue to go up. This is what I'm expecting. Copper, silver, up, because these are the things that are necessary for AI, tech, chips. Be sure to join the Discord community. I break this all down every single day. So I'm actually doing some analysis on US 30 right now. So running nicely, 5 bands. So running nicely on that US 30. Remember, I'm telling you, like, if you think US 30 is going to 60,000 right now, it's not. I'm not seeing that. It's not possible. It's not possible right now with all that's going on in the economy. There's too much negative happening in the economy for US 30 to even think about going to 50,000. Right now, Iran is about to get hit. Trump says you got just a few hours. Iran is saying, yo, we're big dogs too. We can hit you back. It don't matter. It's gonna be all out war. We're okay with war. This is what they're saying. And Trump is not the type to back down. So you can expect further movements towards that. And in addition to that, unemployment claim came out worse than normal. And what unemployment claims mean is that people are unemployed. And if people are unemployed, that means there's not a lot of money that's going to be circulated in the economy. Service is not going to be able to be paid for. Goods are not going to be able to be paid for because people are actually trying to save their money. Now, in addition to that, manufacturing was down also. So if manufacturing is down, this also strengthens the talk of if manufacturing is down, this also strengthens the talk of, people are being unemployed. People are losing their jobs, and people are losing their jobs because what? The dollar is weak. The cost of doing business is going up because of all of this war that's happening. So there's a lot more movement, a lot more volatility that's going to be in the market. And we have some amazing things to see. I'm expecting US 30 to go down. Even if it wants to go up, I'm expecting it to go down, right? I'm expecting it to see some new lows potentially. For gold, I'm expecting it to continue to see new highs. For NASDAQ, I'm expecting NASDAQ to continue to go up. Why? Because copper. Why? Because AI chips, AI companies, the future. Money is moving from industrial companies like restaurants, like just regular shit that you're used to, healthcare, into industrial stuff, which is the internet. So this is the age of internet money. So it's going to be moving there. Everybody's using AI right now. So I advise you guys to start investing in AI, investing in energy, investing in safe havens like yen, safe havens like gold, silver, copper. Yeah, so those are the things that I'm expecting from the market. You're going to be buying energy stocks as well. But really and truly, I wouldn't really put too much money into stocks right now. I'd put money into the other stuff. Like gold. Gold is seeing some tremendous returns. If you guys trading, you can leverage trade and you can make a lot more money, a lot more bang for your buck, because a lot of you guys probably start off with $1,000. Of course, you can make some money here, but leveraging it, you can make 10x, 20x that. But you have to understand what you're doing. Disclaimer, understand what you're doing. And this is what the Discord community is for. When you join the Discord community, you're a part of the Discord community, free of cost, no cost to you, I'm not charging you. And you can trade and you can make a lot of profit. So share this video with a friend. I'm going to be breaking down a lot of technicals, a lot of fundamental analysis, so you guys can actually understand the market sentiments, and why the market is actually moving. And based on you being able to actually understand this, you can understand when the market is going to fake out. Because there's been a lot of fake out. A lot of people thought, GJ is going to go up. A lot of people thought GJ is going to go up. And all you need to do is just exercise patience, because I'm telling you, I've been posting, I'm saying, I don't trust this pair. I don't trust what's going on, right? I don't personally, I don't think it's going to go up. It might have a little pullback here, but me thinking it's going to go up, Nah, not right now. Yeah, but me thinking it's going to go up? Nah, not right now.